Smiley box. It was recorded. So this arrived today. Anybody guess what it is? We've got a nice new magnet. This one is a Wukong 400 double-sided. Look at that. Beauty. I have to get the eye thread locked in and then put the rope on it and give it a test out as soon as possible. There we are. Alright, we're going to show you how to thread lock the eye in. For the eye to sit completely flat to the edge of the magnet facing that way so you can drag it, you have to remove this washer. But if you want it so the eye is that way, leave the washer in. But now you must thread lock the eye in using something like this. Apply the thread lock evenly all over the thread. And just simply screw it in. You will get some excess coming out. You do it hand tight, and using a pair of pliers, tighten it up like that, and then just wipe away any excess from around the top and leave it to set. This can be handled within 15 minutes and can be used within an hour. And then the next step is tying the rope. The next step is to tie the rope on. Create a loop in the end, like so, and then you feed the double end through the magnet, and then you tie it through there like that, and then over the magnet. And then pull your rope so it's nice and tight. There we go. a nice tight knot that's got twin loop through and free round it. And the next step is to wrap the excess here in self-amalgamating tape. This tape is better than the gaffer tape as it doesn't use any adhesive and it can be removed if needed and reused. So basically it's just a rubber tape that overlaps each other. So your next step, now that I've finally got the end of the tape open, is to wrap the excess up using the self-amalgamating tape. So double it self over at the end. And keeping slight tension on the tape, wrap it round. As you drop down into the single length, go around it a few times on the single length. And then work backwards until you're over the top of the knot, over the end of the double section. As you can see, there is no adhesive on this tape, it just sticks to itself. And all you need to do now is just cut it off. Or attempt to cut it off. Like so, and then pull that tight round like that. And there we have it, one completed magnet and rope. Thank you for watching. White Welly magnet fishing.